In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track exercise calories in MyFitnessPal. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make the app add back calories when you work out, so your daily target adjusts to match your activity and you can fuel appropriately. Start by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your phone. Make sure you're on the official app from the store so everything looks familiar and works smoothly. On the welcome screen, tap Login. Enter your secure login details as you normally would, and then tap Login again to continue. If your account uses extra verification, just follow the prompts. Never share your credentials on screen or with anyone. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the dashboard, also called the home or diary screen. From here, head to your profile. You'll usually find this by tapping your avatar or the menu icon at the top or bottom of the screen, depending on your device. Inside your profile area, look for the section labeled Goals. This is where MyFitnessPal stores your daily calorie target, macro goals, and other settings that shape how your diary behaves. Open Goals. Then find the setting related to exercise calories. It may be labeled Exercise Calories or Exercise Calorie Adjustments. This setting controls whether the app adjusts your daily calorie target when you log exercise or when activity is synced from a connected device. Turning it on means MyFitnessPal will add calories back to your daily budget to reflect energy you've burned. This can help you avoid undereating on active days and maintain consistency. Whether your goal is fat loss, muscle gain, or weight maintenance, toggle Adjust My Calorie Goal to the On position. When this is enabled, your remaining calories for the day will increase as you log workouts. For example, if your base target is 1,800 calories and you burn 300 calories in a run, you'll see your remaining budget increase accordingly. This is especially helpful if your daily target was calculated assuming a light or sedentary activity level, because it lets exercise be accounted for dynamically. To make sure the change sticks, tap the check icon or save option you see on the screen. That confirms your choice and brings the setting into effect. From now on, when you log a workout in your diary or when activity comes in from a device you've already connected, you'll notice the exercise line appear and your remaining calories adjust. That's it. You opened the app, signed in, navigated to your profile and goals, turned on exercise calorie adjustments, and saved. If you ever prefer a fixed daily budget, you can come back here and switch it off just as easily.